Hello folks, welcome to Broz. In this today's video, I am going to discuss about the budgeted tripod for all your video and photo shoot requirements. If you are someone like me, will be making videos for YouTube, then this is the video for you. Just like you, I also did some research to get the best tripod under 500 rupees and read many customer reviews on Amazon, Flipkart, and finally managed to fulfill all my requirements in just 349 rupees. That is this tripod from Tygot. The model number is T3110M. So while wait, let's do the unboxing of this tripod. Before starting the video, I would like to tell you I'm planning to reach 500 subscribers through this video. So if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel and enable that bell icon for all the latest notification. Without taking much of your time, let's kickstart the video. In the packaging, I got one tripod and the box, the universal mobile clip and the bag. So I have done with the unboxing and now it's time to set up this tripod and show you how simple it is to set up. So finally we set up this tripod in a very small time frame and was so easy to set up also. And this tripod can vary its length from 360 mm to 1050 mm. In terms of inches, it can vary from 13.8 inch to 41.3 inches. And you can make video by sitting position or standing if you are self-recording. And I am checking the stability of the stand, placing my phone, and it is very rigid in position and very nice stability is there for a mobile, especially for mobile. Big thumbs up. Overall, it's a great purchase and it fulfills all my needs, but at the first sight you may feel the quality of the material used is cheap, but the value what it delivers is justified considering its price point. Please do comment and let me know which features of this tripod is good considering its price point. I hope by the time you would have subscribed to my channel and showed your love. That's all for today's video folks, and I hope you enjoy this video. Signing off.